In this class, we'll conclude the hairdryer handle modeling and add details, sketch the arcs, and conclude the geometry. So let's begin. Start by opening the hairdryer file. Start a sketch in the right plane. Activate the arc and the 3-point arc option, and then create an arc as shown. Use the Smart Dimension tool to add dimensions. Then activate the Extruded Cut option. Look at the cut preview generated on both sides, and this shows what material will be cut from the rest of the body towards the top. Confirm the command. This cut is essential so that when material is added to the face, and then this way, the hairdryer shape will be more attractive. Now we'll create a spline to split the solids. Let's insert a sketch in the right plane. Activate spline and sketch the geometry as shown. Insert the dimensions, and then the spline will be defined. Click Insert, then Feature, and Split. Select the sketch and click Cut Part. Look at the resulting body's flyout, and you'll see 3 bodies have been created. Select the bodies as shown to split them and confirm. Click Spline and select Hide to hide it. See how the Feature Manager and then the Solid Bodies option displays 3 bodies. Great! We have split the bodies, and now we'll add material to join them. Open the features for the bodies by double-clicking the mouse on Solid Bodies. Right-click the mouse on Split 1 and select Delete Body. Confirm the operation. See how the body has been removed, and we can see a flat face on the geometry. It is essential to add material to join the 2 faces of the body. Now let's continue. Activate the Lofted Boss Base command and select both faces and look at the preview. Define the constraints for extending the added material on the Start-End Constraints flyout. There are 3 types of constraints, so select the Tangency to Face option. See how the geometry finishing has been enhanced. Then in the lower option, let's also select Tangency to Face. See how the curvature is much better now. Confirm the operation. Now, let's adjust the geometry to remove the lower deformed part on the handle and later on add an arc to the handle. Insert a sketch in the right plane. Activate spline and create the geometry as shown. Then insert the dimensions. Activate Extruded Cut. Activate Flip Side to Cut to change the direction of the material to be removed. Confirm the command and the geometry will be modified. Now let's insert the arc on the lower edge of the handle. Activate Fillet and the constant radius option. Change the value to 7 millimeters and click the lower face. Look at the preview and confirm the operation. Great, you have designed this part of a hairdryer. In the next classes, we'll create the inside details and conclude it.